I'm Maribel from Taste of Italy, and I hope you enjoy my video today. We begin with 200 grams of flour, double O, but we know that we'll most likely need more than this because we have 2 medium-sized eggs plus spinach. I do like to leave a little bit of flour at the bottom. Now I'm going to pour. Now we're going to start working in the flour. To work in the flour, I like to use first a fork and then a bench scraper. Both of these are very useful. So the exact amount of flour that we will be using will largely depend on how much water was left in the spinach